Hello, everyone. My name is Ina. Welcome to my class. Today, I'm going to teach about direct imperatives with Swahili verbs. Swahili verbs, we call them in Swahili, vitenzi vya Kiswahili. And we will do plural form today. In my previous lesson, I taught about singular form. So if you go to my channel and watch that video, you will be able to learn how to use these direct imperatives in singular form. So, as I said in my previous lesson, I was teaching about direct imperative, singular form, and we saw that the rule is similar to the one used with English infinitives, whereby we have to demolish the verb stem and the remaining verb will be used as our direct imperative singular form. But in Swahili imperative plural form, the rule has a slight difference. First of all, if you look at the Swahili verbs, you will notice that they have similar suffix, which is a. Okay, so the remaining context of the suffix is in every verb is our verb root. So if you look at this list, you will see we have a few verbs here, like kuandika means to write, kusoma means to read, kuimba means to sing, kufanya means to do, kungoja means to wait. So all these are Swahili infinitives, and you can see that they all have the suffix a. So in direct imperative plural form, the suffix a will be replaced by any. The suffix a will be replaced by any to make a direct imperative plural form. As you can see here on the screen, we have kuandika. This is our infinitive, and it becomes a command, andikeni. Andikeni, this is a command to you all. Okay? Direct command to you all, and you all is the second person plural form, who is ninyi. Ninyi or nyinyi. Okay? More examples of these Swahili verbs, you will see the way they change. For example, kutengeneza becomes tengenezeni. Kutengeneza, tengenezeni. Kupika, pikeni. Kusoma, someni. Kulala, laleni. Kuimba, imbeni. One more time. Kutengeneza, tengenezeni. Kupika, pikeni. Kusoma, someni. Kulala, laleni. Kuimba, imbeni. Okay, so these are the direct imperative sum verbs, and then we have more verbs here. Kufungua, fungueni. Kupokea, pokeeni. Kungoja, ngojeni. Kufanya, fanyeni. Kufagia, fagieni. Okay, so these are just verbs, and you can use them to pass a command to the second person plural form. And you can add more information in your command. For example, here you can see andikeni barua. Andikeni barua means write a letter. Mind you, it is a command to ninyi. The second person plural form. You all, okay? Next, tengenezeni chai. Tengenezeni chai means make tea. Pikeni haraka. Pikeni haraka means cook quickly. Someni kitabu. Someni kitabu means read a book. Laleni mapema. Laleni mapema means sleep early. Imbeni tena. Imbeni tena means sing again. Okay? Next, fungueni mlango. Fungueni mlango means open the door. Pokeeni pesa. Pokeeni pesa means receive some money. Ngojeni nyumbani. Ngojeni nyumbani means wait at home. Ondoeni vitu. Ondoeni vitu means remove things. And the last one for today, fagieni ofisini. Fagieni ofisini means sweep in the office. So all these are commands directed to the second person plural form in our personal pronouns. Thank you very much for joining into my class. And I request you to subscribe, like, and share. And I hope you will join me next time because I will be back. Asanteni sana.